Alright guys, I'm going to make a quick video of my exhaust. Right now I've got a Neuspeed N2 header, a Magnaflow high flow cat, and then just a stock cat back. I'm getting an aftermarket one tomorrow, so I'm going to just make a video of the stock one. But the car is already warm, so don't give me crap about revving a cold car. I'll take you outside to see what it sounds like. Kind of windy, but sorry about that. I don't know how that's going to sound on the computer. But once I get my new exhaust, I'll put up another video. So thanks for watching, guys.